See once again here.
Low pine
You tell sir.
See, initially what is current? Zero now. Current was flowing. Current now starting increasing. Current increasing. After some time, what is current value? Maximum current. Okay. So what is the energy stored here? Half L I maximum. That is called I naught. Okay. Okay. Half L I naught square. Correct. So initially all energy was present inside capacitor. And what is that energy value? Half CV square or Q naught square by 2C. Now after t goes to infinite, all energy will store inside inductor. And what is the energy value here? Half L I naught square. I naught. Naught is maximum current. So current L, both energy will equal, because initially suppose 100 joule energy, 100 joule in capacitor. In the capacitor now, initially, what is energy here? Initially zero. Now steady state means infinite times. All 100 joule present inside inductor. So after steady state, what is charge here? Zero. Energy also zero. So can I tell that half serious no? Can I tell energy in capacitor at t equals to 0 now converted into energy in inductor. Okay, energy in inductor at t equals to infinite. So what is energy in capacitor? Tell Q naught square by 2C initially. Now after t goes to infinite, what is energy? Half L I naught square. Any doubt? Due to momentum conservation. Correct? Understood? Next, what will happen? See, you have told here plus here now. So your current is increasing along clockwise or anti-clockwise? That is anti-clockwise. As you wish, that is anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. So initially no current. Now it will move fastly. Current will be increasing nature. After that, you tell here what is charge value? Zero. All charge stored inside inductor. Understood? Here tell all charge current here now. Always current will flow from higher to lower potential or higher to lower energy. So all energy is stored in inductor. So now here current will flow from inductor to capacitor. Initially once I am telling here current value from capacitor to inductor. Capacitor to inductor. Here after t goes to infinite, now current will because now energy here present na inductor. So current will flow from inductor to capacitor. Right? Do one thing. Here you got maximum current na. So here I am writing. Your story will start from this now. Okay? So writing t equals to 1 second, that is 0. Case 2. Case 2 means current will flow from inductor to capacitor or capacitor to inductor. Here. Inductor to capacitor.
Okay, you know t equal to 0.
See what I am telling. Actually, I have used that t equals 0 to t equals to study only for, see, here t equals 0 now. Now current want to flow. That is t equals 0. And what is energy here? Q naught is correct to see. Now all energy will transfer toward inductor. So that is t equals 0 and that is t equal to infinite. After that, your all energy will present inside inductor. Now once your story will start from inductor to capacitor. So I have told okay, that is the current will flow from inductor to capacitor. Now in this case, tell me what is current tension? Case 1. That will be current will flow from till what is capacitor to inductor. You cannot survive because initially I have provided energy only and only for capacitor. Okay? So current will flow from inductor to capacitor. Now once again your journey will start. I will use here t equal to 0. So t equal to means which has more energy, inductor or capacitor?
Inductor.
Inductor. And what is that energy called? Half L I
Naught.
maximum or
Square.
half L I naught square. What I point? See here. You tell what is current direction here? Right or left? Right. That current is I maximum now. And what is charge here? Actually charge is 0. New here that current will be decreasing in nature because already it has maximum current. So initially current will fastly flow. After it slowly. Okay? Slowly. It means that here suppose you tell what is Lenz's law saying? This current is decreasing or increasing? Decreasing now.
With support.
So see, this is decreasing in nature. What is direction of induced current? Right or left? Right. That is direction of induced current. Okay? That is direction of induced current. Now you tell here your actual current, original current. Also this is right. And induced current also right. Both are supporting, huh? Both are supporting. So that both will move up toward capacitor. Right? Initially what was charge here? 0. Now you tell that is current direction now. Current direction. Here charge will be positive or negative? Positive. That will be plus Q. Then that will be minus Q. Right? Minus Q. At t equal to 0. After what will happen? Suppose t equals to t1. That current still is decreasing. And that charge will be increasing. After t goes to infinite, what will happen? That will become 0. And all energy is stored inside capacitor. Okay? So in this case now, understood? So first write this thing, after that I will.
Start.
Completed? Okay. See, here I told at now in case of 2, current will flow from inductor to capacitor. Okay. Here initially, what is the charge in capacitor? 0. All charge is present inside inductor. So what is current here? Maximum. So now it will decreasing nature or increasing in nature? Decreasing. So decreasing nature is decreasing now. According to Lenz's law, what is direction of induced current? Along the direction of that actual current. So both will support now. If both will support, so energy will stored toward capacitor. So here you will get plus or minus charge? Plus charge. No? Current will flow. No?
Minus to plus is
Okay, now it is now that is decreasing in nature. That is direction of current and direction of positive charge. Same or opposite? Same. So if current is flowing, it means positive charge is flowing. Not getting my point? See, current is flowing. Current is flowing, it means positive charge is flowing.
So positive.
So here what present now? Positive. Got my point? So here write that is positive Q. Q is random charge, variable charge. Q naught is maximum charge. Here plus Q, here will be minus Q. And still this I is decreasing in nature. Okay? After time t equals to t2, what will happen? This Q will be increasing or decreasing? Increasing. Because all energy will transfer from inductor to capacitor. Right? This is the direction of current. It means that this is direction of plus Q charge. So all plus Q charge will flow and it will collect toward this plate. So I told plus now.
Current will always go from lower terminal to higher terminal.
No, what I am telling now, here no battery present. Only capacitor and inductor present.
So
Okay.
we have to ask.
I am telling here no current, no terminals, no battery. So if that is current direction from this to this plate, na?
Positive.
Positive. So all that current is flowing from here to there, na? It means that all positive charge will flow from. Okay, that is here a positive charge will collect or negative charge? Positive charge will collect. Okay, and here now negative charge. Correct? After some time, what will happen? This charge will be increasing in nature or decreasing in nature? Increasing. And that minus charge also, okay, according to this. So here you tell after some time through this inductor energy will decrease or increase? Decrease, because all charge will flow from inductor to capacitor, right? So after some time, suppose, okay, I am writing here that is I increasing in nature, okay. Here directly I want to write about t equals to infinite at steady state. What will happen here till steady state? If you look, steady state, this will behave like a, I told this will behave like a, means I am telling at t goes to infinite, all energy from inductor now it will present here, right? All energy from this inductor now it will present, it will collect inside capacitor. Okay, so see here, that is capacitor and that is inductor. Okay, here you tell what is energy, plus q naught or minus q naught? Plus q naught. Q naught is maximum charge, and here now minus q naught. Here what is energy? Zero. Correct? So I have told LC oscillation. Oscillation means oscillate, na? Simple harmonic motion, to and fro motion. Here your energy is oscillating from capacitor to inductor, inductor to capacitor, capacitor to inductor. Got my point? Here tell what is energy in this case? Energy in inductor or capacitor now? Capacitor. What is energy value? Q naught square by 2C. Here what is energy? Zero. Got my point? You tell here. Where is positive charge? Right side or left side? Positive charge.
Right side.
Right side here positive charge, correct na? Here negative charge. Now you tell, in this case, what is direction of current? Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Here plus number hand. That is direction of current now.
Clockwise. Clockwise.
Okay. If you check previous I told, direction of current was anti-clockwise. Check. After this now clockwise. And why clockwise? Arey, higher than this now. From higher to lower now. That is one battery suppose. Battery. So where is higher? Right side. So where is current direction? Right side. Here that is higher now. That is direction of current. Okay. Now see. T equal to 0. Now it will become T equals to infinite. What is charge? Q naught. Okay. Here I told all energy now collected inside capacitor. What is energy? That value Q naught square by 2C. Here what is energy? Zero. Okay. Now you tell here is positive plate right side and that is negative plate. So always current will flow from higher to lower. So where is higher terminal? Right side. Where is lower terminal? Left side. So current will flow clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise. So now 1 second your journey will start from t equal to 0 now. Because one cycle completed. What is cycle? All energy was present inside inductor. Now all present inside capacitor. One journey completed. Now start from t equal to 0. So that is complete t equal to 0. Here see t equal to 0. Till all energy present inside capacitor or inside inductor? Capacitor. So right, that is a positive plate, that is negative plate. What is energy value total? Q naught square by 2C. Okay. Tell initially, t equal to 0. Inductor behaves like a open circuit. Inductor behaves like a open. So t equal to 0, current will be 0, no? Current will be 0. I value 0. Okay. After t equals to suppose t1, this current is increasing or decreasing? Increasing. Okay. That current is increasing in nature. It means that here that is the capacitor, that is inductor. Okay. That current is increasing or decreasing? That current is increasing. Okay. Why increasing? Because initially this will oppose. If it will oppose, initially no current will pass. After some time, current will increase in nature. Okay. Current will pass. Understood? So that is clockwise. Okay. Till here. that Q naught and that is minus Q naught. Here what is value? More than Q naught or less than Q naught? Less than, because energy is decreasing, charge is decreasing now here. That will be suppose Q, random Q, that is minus Q. Okay, it means that you can check here, your I is increasing and charge is decreasing. Here initially, what is energy here? 0. What is energy here? Q naught square by 2C. Now energy will transfer from capacitor to inductor. Understood? Here energy will increasing or decreasing now? Increasing. Okay. Suppose current I have assumed I. So what is energy here? Half L I square. Correct? After T equals to suppose T2. Still in this case also, that is inductor. Okay. Here 10. Here plus Q charge. Here more than plus Q or less than plus Q? Less than. Okay. That is a Q minus Q, that is random charge. That is actually decreasing now.
Same like case 1, but
I clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, so that is called oscillation actually. Here tell that I is increasing, so energy also it will be increasing. Why? Because E equals to half L I square. I is increasing in nature, so energy also increasing in nature. Okay, directly I am telling about T equals to infinite, or that is called steady state. Steady state. Till steady state, all energy will present inside inductor or inside capacitor? Inductor. Okay, all energy at T equals to infinite. So what about the energy in capacitor? Till 0. All charge here now 0. Okay. At 0. Here also 0, because your current is flowing from capacitor to inductor. Right here? Inductor. So after T equals to infinite, all energy will store inside inductor. So I will tell here what is current value? Here what is current value? 0. And current is increasing in nature or decreasing in nature? Increasing in nature. So after T equals to infinite, that I will become maximum or 0? Maximum. Right? A maximum. So I am telling that is I max. I want to say that is I naught. So all energy in this case now it will be present inside inductor, and that energy equals to half L I naught square. Okay, got my point? Now all energy present inside inductor. I will tell here what is direction of I maximum? Right side or left side? Left side. So it will still be flowing. So your I maximum is left direction. That's I maximum. Now your journey will start from T equal to 0. In this case, according to Lentz's law, that I maximum is decreasing in nature or increasing in nature? Decreasing now. Already T equal to 0 now. So here, case 3. Case 3 complete. Case 3. So current will flow.
It is continuous of case 2.
That case 2 up to completed.
Again case 2.
Case 2 complete, na this?
That whole is case 2.
हाँ.
Again T equals to 0.
T equals 0.
Case 3 no sir.
That is case
3.
3.
That is case 4.
That will be case 4. Okay. Here current will flow from inductor to capacitor. Okay. Adulted. Now your journey will start from T equal to 0. So I am writing T equal to 0. Tell me, all energy is stored inside inductor. Okay. All energy present or stored inside inductor. Okay. What is energy value? Half L I naught square. And I naught is maximum current. It says that will be I maximum. Right? Adulted. All energy present inside inductor and maximum current. So it will be decreasing or increasing? Decreasing. Right? Decreasing, because journey start from 0 na. This will be decreasing in nature. It means that according to Lentz's law, what is direction of induced current? along or opposite?
Along.
Along. So that is also direction of induced current. Okay, induced current. So both will support now. So at the left plate, what is charge? Positive or negative? Here. What is charge value? Here positive. Here positive. Here now negative. Understood? Right.
Stop.
Go.
See, in this case now, up to this, you got energy will start from flow from inductor to capacitor. Okay. Here you will get a positive charge. Okay. After t goes infinite, once again it will flow from capacitor to inductor. This is called oscillation. First, initially I have told energy will flow or charge will flow or current will flow from capacitor to inductor. You are remember that God no? Capacitor to inductor. After some time, inductor to capacitor. Next one, capacitor to inductor. That is called oscillation. And initially, energy flow from capacitor to inductor, anti-clockwise. Okay. After some time, that will be clockwise now. So that is called oscillation. Initially, suppose first time current is anti-clockwise, next time clockwise. Anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise. That is called oscillation of energy. Energy of oscillation. Okay. So see here, that is initially which has more energy? Initially, capacitor. What is energy? Charge here Q naught. Here charge minus Q naught. Here what is energy value? Q naught square by. Tell me. Q naught square by 2C. Here what is energy value? 0. After some time, suppose let us assume that time is t. Here, that energy, some energy will transfer from capacitor to inductor. Okay. Assume that plus Q charge current here. That plus Q is maximum or random? Random. That is not maximum charge. Okay. Till here, can I apply Kirchhoff's second law? We can apply Kirchhoff's second law. Okay, what is Kirchhoff's second law? Summation of delta V equal to 0. Summation of delta V equal to 0. So here tell what is charge value? Plus Q. And what is capacitance? C. So you know one formula, C equals to Q by V. So V equals to Q by C. So you tell here you want to move along loop now in case of Kirchhoff's second law. So anti-clockwise or clockwise? You tell. Suppose
Anti-clockwise.
suppose anti-clockwise. So here what is plate? Positive or negative? Positive. So put here V equals to plus Q by C. Here what is potential? Positive, na? Plus Q by C. Minus. Here tell what is value? Minus L di by dt. I told yesterday. See, suppose here resistor present. Resistor. Suppose this point A, this point B, current I is flowing. Here resistor. So potential will drop or gain? Drop. So we can write VA minus IR minus VB equal to 0. Same thing here also. Here that inductor present, so I will write minus LDI by dt. Right here minus LDI by dt, okay, equal to 0. So that Q by C equals to L di by dt. LDI by dt. Here see Q naught, current equals to dQ by dt. Current equals to dQ by dt. Here Q is decreasing or increasing? Maximum to minimum, na? Current is, that charge is decreasing or increasing? Decreasing. So charge decreasing is delta Q will be positive or negative? Negative. So we can write I equals to minus dq by dt. Why minus dq by dt? Decreasing. Now see here, actually if you will see here, that is di by dt. So can I derive di by dt? That is equals to minus d square q upon dt square. I have differentiated this equation number 2. Once again see, I equals to minus dq by dt. I want di by dt. That will be minus second differential equation. d square q by dt square, and this value put in equation number 1. Put that third in one equation. Tell what is this present? Q by C. Right here Q by C equals to L. What is the value of di by dt? Di by dt value. What is value? Minus d square q upon dt square. What I want? Once again see, that is q by c equals to L di by dt. What in place of di by dt, I want to put minus d square q by dt square. Put here now, and shift this value left side. You will get q by c plus L d square q upon dt square equal to 0. Completed? This is a second differential equation. Q by c plus L dt square q by dt square equal to 0. I have written like that. First this term L d square q upon dt square equal plus q by c equal to 0. Correct? Can I divide by L? Both term divide by L. You will get L by L d square q upon dt square plus q upon LC equal to 0. L will cancel out. Okay. And now that is oscillation. So what is the general equation in case of oscillation? General equation. In case of oscillation, I have told at that time general equation is d square x upon dt square plus omega square x equals to 0. That time simple harmonic motion. So in that case actually x was displacement c, that is a spring block system. Okay, M, and that is oscillating. So what is variable here? Displacement. So I have written in case of displacement now. Here what is variable? Energy is variable. Energy fluctuating from capacitor to inductor. So I will write in this case now, in case of LC oscillation, second differential equation will be d square q upon dt square plus omega square q equal to 0. That is equation number, suppose second, that is third. Equate first, second and third. Equate second and third equation. Tell here. d square q upon dt square, d square q upon dt square. Here what is present? Q upon LC, na? Here what is present? Omega square q. So what is the value of omega square? Tell anyone. What is the value of omega square here? 1 upon LC. Check. What is here? Q. Here also q percent. Right here. So what is the value of omega square? 1 upon LC. So just I am writing directly that formula. Omega square equals to 1 upon under that is LC. So omega will be equals to 1 upon under root LC. And what is omega? Angular frequency. Omega is angular frequency. And what is L? That is inductor. It will give coefficient of that mutual inductance, self inductance. It will be given there. What is C? Capacitance. That is inductance and that is capacitance. So remember this formula. Based on this formula, you will get many problems. So open now.